So, hello everyone. So finally, the IIM Indore form is out, and in this video, I'll be covering how to fill the form of IIM Indore. I'll also be talking a brief about the eligibility criterias and the paper pattern and the selection process. So let's get started. So for the first thing, the eligibility criteria. So IIM Indore does not have any percentage eligibility as such. There's only one eligibility that you need to have, that is your age for all the general candidates should be 20 years or lower than 20 years. So that is the cutoff birth date is August 1, 2006. However, there's a 5-year relaxation for the category students belonging to SC, ST, and PWD. And obviously, you should have passed your 10th, and you should be either in 12th standard or you should have appeared 12th in 2024 or 2025. So this is the eligibility criteria. And if you look at the exam pattern, so there are three sections: maths, MCQ and math short answer, and verbal ability section, each having 4 marks questions. But short answer, there is no negative marking. There are 15 questions in this, and for the MCQ, there is a negative marking of 1 mark, and the correct answer will get you 4 marks. There are 30 questions in MCQ quant section and 45 questions in verbal ability. So this is about the paper pattern. The selection process is they will be giving 65% weightage to the ATS score, which is derived from the aptitude score, that is IPMAT, and 35% weightage is given to the personal interview. So let's get started with the form. So the first thing is you type in the Google IIM Indore, and when you type IIM Indore, you can see a 5-year IPM program. Just click on that. Now you would be directed to their integrated program. You can go down and click on the admissions button. Once you click on the admissions button, again go down and you would see online registration to get user ID and password. This is when you are entering for the first time. This is what you have to click for. So when you click on online registration, a window would open which would look something similar to this. So it's just loading. Okay. So let's get to the registration form. So this is the first registration wherein you need to enter all your details. So I'll quickly fill all my details. So you need to enter your name. Make sure that your name is as per your mark sheet of grade 10th. Gender, category. So all the categories: general, NCOBC, SC, ST, EWS. Make sure that you have the certificate ready if you are a category, and it is the updated one. And here you do not require the state NCOBC certificate, but it should be by the government of India. So I've selected general, person with disability. Select your date of birth, email address, nationality, country of residence, and your mobile number. Once you've entered all of this, you can go down and you'll get a CAPTCHA. Enter the CAPTCHA and click on I agree. So it will ask you whether you have verified all the details. Just make sure that every detail that you have entered here is correct, because it will not allow to correct it later on. Once this is done, click on the submit button. Your initial registration is done. Right? Once your initial registration is done, you will be getting a registration number, which will you will get it in the email as well as the SMS, and you can keep it noted because this is going to be your registration number that you are going to use throughout the process. So whatever details I've entered are already saved. Now I will fill the application form. So this is where I have to fill the application form from. So in the personal details, some of the details will already be available. The others I filled it. That is father's name, mother's name, the address, alternate email address, and mobile number. And I've uploaded my photo and signature, and the ID proof. So try to put the Aadhaar where your number, where your name matches with the 10th mark sheet. And if your Aadhaar is not updated, kindly update the Aadhaar, or you can use the other ID proof as well. Once this is done, you can go to the next. So when you click on save and next, you will get a message that data is saved successfully. Click on OK and it will take you to the next page where you have to enter your academic details. So I'll quickly enter my academic details of grade 10th first. So I have already entered my 10th marks, that is percentage, the board that I've appeared through, the school name and the year of completion. And I've uploaded my 10th mark sheet. Now in 12th, the question they'll be asking you is whether you have completed your standard 12th or not. So if those who are already completed last year, you need to click on yes, and then you will be getting all the details just like that you entered for 10th. For those who have not completed, you can click on no. Course type would be 10th or 12th or equivalent. And board name, again, you can enter school name and followed by your stream. So I'm selecting my stream. And then again, you can click on save and next, and it will again say data has been saved successfully. And then the important part where you have to select your preference of the city. So all those who are in Ahmedabad, their first choice should be Ahmedabad. So that is where most of us tentatively will be getting the slot. This is where you want to give the exam, right? And now if you look at the other cities, these options, I think the nearest option that you can find probably would be Udaipur. So I've selected Udaipur. There is no other option that is there in Gujarat. So I will select, let's say, Indore. You can select. So you can select based on where you have some relatives there or easier to commute. So I'm selecting Jaipur and I'll select Mumbai. Okay, so these are the preferences. So most probably we'll get it in our first city only. The second is where you will be wanting to appear for your interview. So there are two choices there. In that, obviously, you will not have Ahmedabad, so you can select Indore, Mumbai in any preference order. So all the interviews in the Indore will be at the campus itself, and then you can click on save and next. Once this is done, I think the entire form is filled. This is the amount that you will be having, 4130 for the general students. Just click on I agree and you can enter the CAPTCHA again that you will see here. And then just preview it so that you know that whatever you have filled, you get a time to just verify it. If there is anything that you have missed out or is wrong, you can just go back and edit it. Else, you can click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will be put to the page where you have to finally make the payment. And this can be done through net banking, UPI, or credit or debit card. This is how you need to fill the form. So I think pretty simple, straightforward form. Just make sure that you have your Aadhaar, your 10th mark sheet, and your passport size photograph scanned with you, and a sign, obviously. So these are the documents that are required, and this is how you'll be filling the form. So that's it. Thank you, everyone.